Today's side-by-sides are designed to handle rugged off-road surfaces, and one of the most important parts of the drivetrain on your side-by-side are the CV axles. They have the important job of transferring power from the engine to the wheels on your side-by-side. Because side-by-sides make so much power and they see such extreme environments, factory CV axles are not always up to the challenge of navigating extreme terrains over time. If you feel vibrations in your steering wheel, hear clicking when you turn, or see grease inside the wheel, a failed CV axle is likely the culprit. At GSP, we tackled the job of designing a stronger, more reliable, and lighter weight CV axle, so you can rely on your side-by-side wherever you are. Whether your stock axles are worn and need replacing, or you're looking to improve performance, Revolution Axles from GSP are a perfect upgrade. Revolution Axles from GSP feature our hollow tube twist technology. As a result, the axle is lighter than stock, it improves overall strength, and it reduces stress on the rest of your drivetrain. Revolution axles also reduce harmful driveline harmonics that can prematurely wear and damage the moving parts of your side-by-side. Due to the hollow tube twist technology, Revolution axles reduce shock load while reducing unsprung weight, so you can enjoy a faster transfer of power to the ground every time you hit the trail. We build our Revolution axles for popular brands like Arctic Cat, Can-Am, Polaris, and Yamaha, to name a few. Through precision engineering, our Tier 1 quality control maximizes performance and service longevity. These two main factors play a crucial role in the life of your new CV axle. Don't let a stock CV axle ruin your weekend. Check out GSPNorthAmerica.com for more information and to order a set of Revolution axles for your side-by-side.